Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a super refreshing agua fresca de piña colada. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's make our agua fresca. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by adding our 4 cups of fresh pineapples into our blender cup. We're going to be blending with 12 ounces of pineapple juice. Okay, so just blend it into smooth. Ready? And once done, we're going to transfer into our pitcher. Okay, we're just going to be straining so we can remove the foam. Okay, now returning to our blender cup, we're going to break down our cream of coconut. And we're going to be adding our sweetened condensed coconut milk. Depending on how sweet you want your agua fresca, then it depends on how much you're going to add. I'm going to be adding about half a can. Now we're just going to mix it until it's all well combined. Okay, so once we have that, we're going to mix it with our pineapple juice. So just pour it in. Now we're going to be adding our cold water. And I need a bigger pitcher here. Okay, so I had to switch pitchers because we need 4 cups of cold water. So we're just going to add it in there. Mix it. And right here, you can taste it and see if you want to add any more sweetened condensed milk. But for me, this is always perfect. So now we can get ready for the fun part. Okay, so I like to add my ice before serving, just so like that my water doesn't get diluted. And I'm just going to be garnishing with the little pineapple and cherry. And now just serve. And here you can add a little rum to make it an adult drink. But just like that, we can now get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make, so refreshing. It's perfect for this time of year. And like I mentioned, you can always make it into an adult drink. But either way, it's honestly the best. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. So good. I love it. This is honestly one of my favorites. It's just perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious piña colada agua fresca. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.